Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Toyota Kluger 2009 Altitude, which actually belonging to the generation 2007 and 2013. So this car comes with a standard Toyota radio for Altitude, and at this moment we already fit in the 10-inch touchscreen with the wireless Apple CarPlay and USB Android Auto and USB Apple CarPlay. Also we fit in the second reverse camera, Full HD anti-glare, super night vision on the side. So basically, yeah, it is the same as other 10-inch system that we fit in the Kluger. And if you know that currently when we reverse, it will show up two different camera, one on the top and one at the bottom, and you can see that how wide angle, how clear, how sharp and detailed the new camera is. And that's so easy. It will work straight like that and instantly move to the reverse camera. Okay, and also in this car we fit in the 4 parking sensor that match into the car. So you can see that at this moment this is the new LCD with the custom build alert sounds, so it will make the very nice and easy sounds for the driver. And it shows 4 parking sensor at the back end matching the color to the car. So that's about, and we can actually come out and have a look. So we can see here is the left side camera and middle camera and middle camera and the side camera here. So, sorry, that's parking sensor, and the new camera is here right there, together with the factory camera. Okay, so once again we see quickly the reverse parking sensor left and right in the distance, and the new camera and the old camera. Okay, so the factory steering wheel control is working well, button here is working well by factory, and the new USB port over here. So actually that one I can plug in to my phone easily, and another USB port inside the glove box. All good. So thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.